grace of the Almighty God. So students, today I'll be giving you chapter 7 history parts. Topic of the chapter is new ideas e number, okay, and that is answer the questions in detail. You can see over the screen, okay. So here the first question which is there is this: that why did the Vedic religion start to lose importance in the 6th century? The Vedic religion start to lose importance in the 6th century due to the following reasons. Varna system. The Varna system became extremely rigid, rigid, that is tough. Initially, the Varna system was based on the occupations. The Varna system, the one person's Varna was decided by the birth and occupation. Ritual and the sacrifices, if we say, a lot of the importance was given to the sacrifice and the rituals. People started to resent the unnecessary and expensive ritual introduced by the Brahmanas. If we speak about the supremacy of the Brahmanas, then we know that the Brahmanas attained a supreme position in the society by introducing new rites and rituals. People were dissatisfied with these new rites and the rituals. D number, we can see that development of an agriculture economy with the improvement of the towns and the cities. Okay, what happened? I'll do it little bit large. Okay. Okay, so development of the agriculture economy with the improvement of the towns and the cities, there was an improvement of the socio-economic conditions. Perhaps this changed the outlook of the people. Okay, language. All the rituals, hymns, and the mantras in the Vedic religion were in Sanskrit, which was only understood by the Brahmanas, and therefore their services were acquired at every religion functions. Okay, every religious function they were acquiring their services at a high charge. Okay, so next we will see explain the concept of the Four Noble Truths. After attaining the enlightenment, Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon at Sarnath, where he preached the Four Noble Truths. The following points have been discussed. Okay, so first one is that the world is full of sorrow, misery, and suffering. Suffering has no cause, has a cause. Okay, every person has suffering, has a cause. Desire is the main cause of suffering. Okay, suffering can be eliminated by removing the desire. Next, we will see that the mentioned two similarities and two differences between the Buddhism and Jainism. The similarities between the Buddhism and the Jainism are they did not believe in the Varna system and they believed in the ahimsa or non-violence. The differences between the Jainism and Buddhism are the followers of the Jainism are called Jains, while the followers of the Buddhism are called Buddhists. Okay, and Jainism spread in various parts of the India, while the Buddhism not only spread in India but also in the other parts of the Asia. Then briefly discuss any three causes leading to the rise of the new religion sects in the 6th century. Okay, that the socio-economic changes taking place in the 6th century influence people religious perspective. Varna system, if you see, the Varna system became extremely rigid. Initially, the Varna system was based on occupation. The person's Varna was decided by the birth and occupations. Ritual and the sacrifices, if you say, a lot of the importance was given to the sacrifice and the rituals. People started to resent the unnecessary and expensive rituals introduced by the Brahmanas. The next, language. All the language, all the rituals, hymns, and the mantras in the Vedic religions were in the Sanskrit, which was only understood by the Brahmanas, and therefore their services were acquired at a very religious function. Okay, at every religious function they were acquiring their services, as we studied in the four that E answer. Okay, so E1. Okay, briefly explain the teachings of the Upanishads. The concept of the Atman and the Brahmana has been discussed in the teaching of Upanishads. The Upanishads refer to the individual soul as Atman and the universal soul as a Brahmana. An individual soul or Atman is confined to the cycle of the birth and the rebirth. However, the individual soul can free itself from the cycle of the birth and the rebirth and attain moksha, that is salvation, by the performing good deeds or action. By maintaining good conduct, not only will a person be able to break free from the cycle of birth and rebirth, but he will also be able to attain Brahmana. Okay, next, number 6, Why did new religious ideas such as Buddhism and Jainism became popular in the 6th century? The new religious ideas such as the Buddhism and the Jainism became popular in the 6th century due to the following reasons. The origin of the new religions like Buddhism and Jainism provided a ray of hope to the Sudras, okay, those who were there during that time, okay, and Vaishyas to improve their social status and enjoy a better life in the society, as there was no caste system in the new religious sects and everyone was considered equal. All the religious or the rituals, hymns, and the mantras in the Vedic religions were in the Sanskrit, okay, which was only understood by the Brahmanas, and therefore their services were required at every religious function. The new religions that emerged during this period, while Jainism and Buddhism were preached in the Pali and the Prakrit, the language of the common people. People found it very easy and understood and follow the new rituals and religions that developed during that period. So students, this was the concept I just read it. I hope that you understood the what I read, because I have already explained you there. If you want the explanation of the question answers also, you can say me during the live class. Also you can call me up, or if you are watching the YouTube videos, you can call me up and you can say me if you want the explanation of the videos. If you did not understand anything, you can call me up and you can ask the meaning. Okay, if you want something, then you can call, you are instructed to contact me. So till then, that, take care, thank you, bye bye everyone. I hope that you will attend the live class. I hope that you will study properly.